subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you can see it, please check your internet connection and try again. So if you see it on your Facebook app, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find your Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just turn off and turn on again your Wi-Fi. And if you're using mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. And also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have the error, so just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just find your shutdown, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And this is also the way how you can try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.